Hi Ashwin.
Hi.
Ashwin, today we're playing a quick guessing game with you. We will give you hints and you need to guess the fund. Are you ready?
Yeah, sure. So let me think. What's the horizon of the fund?
Long term, at least 5 years.
And what about the risk profile?
It's very high risk level.
And how much does it allocate to equity?
It allocates over 85% in equity.
So clearly equity. And then does it have diversified or a thematic mandate?
It's diversified.
Okay. And within the market cap, does it predominantly allocate to any one segment?
Yes, it does, in the mid-cap segment.
Axis Mid Cap Fund.
Bingo, that is correct.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.